Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the localization features that are built into the framework and how you can create your own language, as well as talk about the libraries. So these are the localizations that come by default with the framework. So in order to create a new language, all you need to do is create a new folder. So all you need to do is go into the views, contents, and these are all the other languages. Just create your own language and just create a new folder called JAP, which would be stand for Japanese. Come back to your site and refresh. And there you go, you have JAP already linked, a tab for JAP already. So once you click on the new language link, you'll be taken to the same site but with the Japanese content. But right now it's all blank because you don't have any Japanese content, nor do you have a sitemap entry for any Japanese content. And the sitemap entry would be the edit page properties value. So in order to modify that, you'll need to log in using the credentials from the config.php file. Alright, so once you log in, just as normal, you have the edit content and edit page properties. Now click on edit page properties and change this to JAP page title and JAP section title. Give whatever meta description, meta keyword you like, and hit save. And that template variable that was called title is now replaced with the actual sitemap template variable title, or the value of that from the sitemap. And let's edit content. You can do whatever you like. You can add FLV videos. You can add just as you normally would. Save. There you go. Now you have, just by creating one folder called JAP, you've automatically created, you automatically added a new language to the entire site. Now let's talk about the libraries that are included. There are many libraries that are included with the framework. Pretty much anything you want to do has a library for it. For example, generating a PDF by on fly, sending out emails with attachments, creating images on the fly, resizing them, or and and doing whatever you'd like. Geo-targeting, which is once again really advanced and is already included into the framework. Now, regarding geo-targeting, you, it does not include the geo-targeting database. So you'll need to actually, there are instructions here for you to actually go to the site and download this DAT file, place it in this directory, and this is the code for you to use in order to geo-target. Alright, so that was the library. It also comes with Google Maps. Once again, this is the code, and this is the output. And another library called the crawler library is something that I created. It kind of mimics a search engine. You can even have follow external links, so if you have links to another site, it would go to that site and scrape that site as well. So right now, all this does is it searches within your domain or subdirectory. So let's actually search for home. And there you go. It searches for home. Now the first time you search, it's going to take a long time because nothing is cached. So it has to scrape the entire site. But once you've actually created your site, I would recommend it that you would actually go in here and search for anything. It doesn't matter because it caches the entire site. So once it's cached, searches are going to be really quick. And the way it works is that this is the page title and this is the meta description. All right, so that was all regarding the library and the localization. And I'll talk to you later on how you can actually create your own pages or create a new section in a later tutorial.